Fleet vehicles are one of the most abused vehicles on the road. Driven to full gross vehicle weight all day on a daily basis takes a toll on the brakes. That's why Powerstop now offers brake solutions for medium-duty Class 4 through 7 fleet vehicles. For medium-duty vehicles running full gross vehicle weight with frequent stops and heavy loads, look to our new Z47 semi-metallic brake pads. These semi-metallic pads are infused with carbon fibers to strengthen the compound and maximize vehicle uptime. For last mile and normal MD fleets, the Z36 truck and tow brake pads are our carbon fiber ceramic formula meant to provide noise-free, dust-free braking that is durable, extends vehicle uptime, and are designed to provide severe duty stopping power. Included are Evolution fully coated rotors that are heat cured for full protection from rust and corrosion. Whether you're looking for reliable braking or longer uptimes, no matter your fleet, Powerstop has braking solutions for you. This tip brought to you by Powerstop. Brake upgrades made easy.